You need to know the visa requirements of the country you want to visit, if the country requires a visa or not. If you just found this video, my name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. I make travel related videos. I give immigration tips and visa processing from time to time. Today, I'm going to be giving you important travel tips. Okay? The first thing you need to know if you want to travel is to try as much as possible to get to the airport 2 hours before your flight. The reason I'm saying this is because you need to get a boarding pass. If you do not have one, you take your passport and you go to the airline front desk to get your boarding pass. Once your boarding pass is issued, you then go to the airport security. You also need your boarding pass and your international passport to go through the gate. When you get there, you need to take out all deodorants, your perfumes, all liquid substance. You take off all metal objects, your wristwatch, your belt. In some countries, you have to take out your shoes. You go through the metal detector with just your socks. Okay. When you are done with this, please, I would advise you to have your passport handy because you are going to need your passport at the airline front desk. If you do not have your boarding pass, I beg your pardon. You also need it when you want to go through security. And lastly, you are going to need the passport again when you get to immigrations because they need to either stamp your passport or do it electronically. All right. The next thing is you need to also listen to the safety flight instructions when you're on board, because in the event of any accident or if there's any turbulence in transit, you know the exit route and everything. That's the reason why you need to know that's the reason why you need to listen to the safety instructions. And lastly, you need to also know the luggage requirements. For international flights, it's actually 23 kilos for economy. In some instances, you can have up to 30 kilos if you're on a business class. That is the information I have for you this morning. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to like my video, share it, and follow me. Thank you.